What do you need?
I need some water.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Did you eat?
Yes, I had lunch.
Where is Mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Who is calling?
It's John.
What's for dinner?
I am having a food.
Can I watch TV?
Yes, but only for an hour.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What happened?
I lost my job.
Where is the toilet?
It's down the hall.
Why are you late?
I got stuck in traffic.
Are you sure?
Let me think.
Where is my phone?
It's on the table.
How do I go?
Go by train.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Who took my book?
I don't know.
Why is the door open?
I forgot to close it.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I did.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Can I have some water?
Sure, here you go.
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet.
Where is the teacher?
She is in the staff room.
Where is my eraser?
It's on your desk.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
How long is the flight?
3 hours.
Do you have a map?
Yes, here it is.
Did you get hurt?
Yes, a little.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
Is it going to rain?
Yes, later in the evening.